Let's make a super dope fried rice that you can add really whatever you want to. Okay, if you're like me and you've just got a brand new wok, we need to season it prior to cooking or everything will stick and that will suck. So pop on over to the sink with a metal scourer and some lightly soapy water. Give it a scrub to remove the anti-rust film that woks come with. After that, we need to apply it to heat with some vegetable oil covering the whole surface of the wok, making our way around till everything's changed colour and the oil stops smoking. After that, wipe off the excess, apply more oil, and look at that, brand new seasoned wok. Now that your wok is feeling the love, push it aside with reckless abandonment. Now, I like to use a cleaver anytime I'm prepping garlic. One, because cleavers are cool and they're fun to use. The other is you get to just smack your garlic and the skins come off. Once they're all cleaned up and the skins are off, finely chop. Grab yourself 2 spring onions or 2 scallions, cutting off their hair, then cutting on an angle, because on an angle looks fancier, just looks better. Finally dice a shallot. Microplane yourself about half of a big toe's worth of ginger. Now, I know you're looking at this pile of stuff and you're thinking, hey, where's the carrots, the peas, broccoli, onions, leeks? Well, I was thinking the same thing. And it was right about now that I started looking for those things, realizing that they were sitting on the ground at the self-checkout at the supermarket. So instead of carrots, peas, and prawns, we're getting bacon that I cut up in anger. Now that self-pity is worn off, beat 2 eggs and pop them in on heat. Get them moving around. We can see that our non-stick has worked perfectly. Set them aside once they've gone a bit custardy. If you need to, wipe down your wok, more oil. Now it's time to add your protein of choice. As I mentioned, I chose odd shaped bacon, so toss that in. Whichever protein you use, cook it off, set it aside once it's done. In go our shallots, cook them until slightly fragrant before adding our garlic. And that's when we gotta kind of get moving. As soon as the garlic hits the wok, because garlic burns super easy, and in the high heat of a wok, it is going to char up quicker than super quick. Adding in about 3.5 to 4 cups of cold pre-cooked rice. I like to break it up first before putting it in. Once our rice is broken up nicely, going in with a big tablespoon of crushed chilli and a big tablespoon of shrimp paste. Coming in with a healthy glug of soy sauce and sweet soy sauce, adding them to the side of the wok, not on to the contents of the wok. Super important, especially when you're working with rice, because if you dump that onto the rice, you can have a heap of white rice and then just like a black hole of soy. Tossing until all those ingredients are incorporated well into the rice. If you've got real vegetables, add them now. Otherwise, you'll be doing it like me.
Doing what?
Using your imagination, Peter.
Adding in your ginger, giving that a slight mix before coming in with our protein and egg. Tossing that to combine before adding a small amount of our spring onion, some white pepper, and a good pinch of MSG. Toss yourself one final time before plating up. Finish with the spring onions, and that's it. Fried rice. Now, get out of here, you rat bag.